हेलो एवरीवन, रुपसित हियर। आज मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस को पूरी तरह से मुफ्त में कैसे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस कैसे प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। यह पूरी तरह से कानूनी है और यह कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इसे आधिकारिक रूप से माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस को मुफ्त में प्राप्त करने के लिए प्रदान करता है। यदि आप दुर्भाग्य से ऑफिस के लिए गलत तरीका खोज रहे हैं तो यह वीडियो आपके लिए नहीं है और उसके लिए आप सजेस्टेड लिंक पर जा सकते हैं। आज वीडियो में कुछ अलग तरीकों को शामिल करने जा रहा हूँ जिनसे आप मुफ्त में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। हम उन वेब ऐप के साथ शुरू करने जा रहे हैं जिन्हें आप या तो ऑफिस ऐप या office.com के माध्यम से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। बिफोर यू थिंक एनी रॉन्ग, आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट वेब एप्स एंड डेस्कटॉप ऐप हैव सिमिलर इंटरफेस। उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स एंड फैकल्टी मेंबर कैसे फ्री में ऑफिस यूज कर सकते हैं, इवन आईफोन एंड एंड्रॉयड फ़ोन में ऑफिस कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे। बिफोर वी जंप इन, मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट मुफ्त में ऑफिस क्यों देता है। आप जानते हैं कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक बड़ी कंपनी है एंड इन दिस मार्केट कॉम्पिटिटर भी बहुत है, जैसे कि गूगल का जी सूट है, लिबर ऑफिस है, WPS ऑफिस है। उससे आप बेसिक एडिटिंग कर सकते हैं, आप कैलकुलेशन भी कर सकते हैं और उसके अलावा एक्सेल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बेटर प्रेजेंटेशन भी बना सकते हैं। बेसिक ऑफिस फंक्शनलिटी लगभग एक कमोडिटी बन गई है और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट को इस बात का एहसास हो गया है, इसलिए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस आपको फ्री में दे रहा है। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस दूसरे कॉम्पिटिटर से कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट होता है, तो वो अपनी एडवांस सर्विस के लिए वर्ड में एडिटर जैसा टूल देता है जो एक ग्रामरली चेक करता है, उससे आपको बेटर राइटिंग मिलती है। इवन इफ यू सी इन द पावर पॉइंट दे विल अलाउ यू टू इंसर्ट स्टॉक इमेजेस एंड ऑल्सो गेट दी प्रेजेंटेशन कोच। वो आपको अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन बेटर करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। Even get cloud storage where you could backup files in the cloud, and these are always that Microsoft is differentiating the services what others offered in a service. Today I am going to show you that कैसे आप लोग Microsoft Office फ्री में यूज कर सकते हो। Firstly, I want to say that Microsoft Office कैसे फ्री में यूज करें वो भी on the web. There are two different ways to do this. First of that one is just come to this website office.com, and this is the one way you can get the web apps and we can use them for free. Alright, the another way in the Windows 10, just go on the start menu and search out for the office app and open it. There you go, and by signing in you can use the office.com on the web. If you don't have the installed one, you go on the Microsoft Store and from there you can just install it. I'm going to show you how you can do it on the web. So here I am on office.com. The home page is here. There is a two option available. One is the sign in and another one is the get office. If you click on the get office, they will send you to the purchase plan. Just click on the sign in button. Once you click on that, they will ask you to type in account. Now even if you don't have an account, don't worry, you just go on the create one and you can create the free. However, I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my username and password, and once you sign in you will land on what's called the authenticated version of the office.com. Here you see the whole bunch of options on the page. If you want to start a new document, just click on the start and there you go. You can find out the different type of contents you want to create. Even you go on the bottom of this page, there is a all apps button. Once you click on that, there is you will see even more that you get. Now this is beyond this tutorial today of how all these different apps work, but just trust me, you can use the all Word, Excel and PowerPoint free of cost. Okay, from the home page there is an install office. So once you click on this install office, automatically download हो जाएगा आपके desktop version पे, and I say there is a free version available of the office. Then the most of the people think about the Word, Excel and the PowerPoint. Once I click on the Word, you can see the interface is same as the desktop version. There is a new blank document options and another free templates. If you want more templates, just go on the more templates. You can see the bunch of templates is available here. There is option for go back to the document, and the Microsoft is trying to show you the interface attractive, and by that you can purchase the premium version. So you don't need to purchase the premium version, you can just use the free of the version. The similar way you can use the Excel and the PowerPoint also. I just want to show you the interface of the new document of the Word. You can see here the whole new document interface is here. It's similar as the desktop version. It's just internet coding issue. You see here. Next I want to show you that अगर आप स्टूडेंट या फैकल्टी मेंबर हो then Microsoft Office कैसे फ्री में यूज कर सकते हो. What you need to do is just navigate to the following website. You don't have to type it in it. I also have a link it directly in the description, or you could just click on that. So, काफ़ी सारी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट्स को माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं जो आपको ऑफिस फ्री में प्रोवाइड करते हैं, लाइक एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डिपार्टमेंट को, स्टूडेंट को एंड फैकल्टी मेंबर को. यू जस्ट हैव टू डू कम दिस साइट, एंटर योर एजुकेशनल email address here and click on get started. Once you do this, it will give an option to go ahead and download and install the desktop Office apps on your computer. Did you know you could also get Office on your phone, whether you have iPhone or an Android phone, for free? So मेरे पास iPhone है. Let's go over to the App Store, and if you have Android phone, head over to the Play Store, click into it and then go ahead and search for the Office app. I've already done that, and here I see Microsoft Office. You could go ahead and download it. It's entirely free to use, so not only you can do the basic edits on your phone, like work on Word document or Excel spreadsheet and PowerPoint presentation, but it also has some amazing capabilities on your phone. For instance, just to name a few, you can take a picture of text and then convert it into text that you can then edit. They also have other things like taking pictures of whiteboards or taking pictures of the document, and it really does a nice job with taking pictures of document. It's much better than just the default camera app on the phone. Those are just a few of the functionalities you get on the Office app, but it has a lot of amazing stuff that you can take advantage of, and best of all, it's free to use. Let's say that none of these free options really satisfy you, and you just want to pick up the copy of Microsoft Office and you don't want to pay a subscription fee. What you can do is you can buy an older license of Microsoft Office. For instance, here I am on eBay, the marketplace where you can bid on different items, and I simply search for Microsoft Office in here. In results, you see a whole bunch of different offerings. For instance, I get an older version Microsoft Office 2016 here. They have also 2019, and you can go ahead and buy one of these older license to Office. Now eBay is just one Office. They have many sites that do this, and you could pick up a copy of Office. Now there's always the risk that the license key that you buy doesn't work, and so there are always questions, and you have to check how trustworthy is the seller. But this is one way you can pick up an older version of Office. Now we ran through all the ways you can get Office for free, and also we looked at a more affordable option of getting Office. I also want to show you the official plans of getting Microsoft Office. You know this wouldn't be a full coverage video unless I talk about this. As well, if you go to the website listed here in the URL, I also have a link down in the description. You can purchase Office, and by purchasing Office, this will give you the latest and greatest version. You could use it on the web. You could use it on the desktop also. Let's say there is a home plan for Office 365 family, and it's a $5,299 per year. If you see this way, it will cost you a lot, but There is the one information provided by them, and it's a convenient subscription for up to 6 people. And that means if you distribute this office in the 6 people, like your friend or family friends, or even you use this office in your office desktop and home office, then if you divide by 6, then it will cost you around 880 rupees per year per person. एंड अगर आपका मैथ सही है देन आपको वो 75 रुपीज़ पर मंथ रहेगा, विच इज़ प्रिटी इनएक्सपेंसिव फॉर एवरीथिंग यू आर गेटिंग इन दिस ऑफिस। इस वीडियो से अगर आपको ऑफिस फ्री में कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं और इवन जस्ट इनएक्सपेंसिवली, प्लीज़ गिव दिस वीडियो थम्स अप। एंड आपको मोर कंटेंट चाहिए इस तरह से, तो प्लीज़ subscribe the button, and that way you will get the notification anytime I release new content like this. And also, if you want to me cover any other topics in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below. After all, that's how I build my list of videos to create. I listen to viewer feedback like you. Alright, well, that's all I had today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.